Brado's gaming studio. I hope all of you liked last week's video of how to add the controls to the game. So today let's add the animations to the game. So something I realized while revising on the code is, rather than adding bounce off when touching the edges, let's do collide. Because when we do bounce off, this happens. And I don't think anyone would like to play a game like that. So let's replace all of these bounce off with collide. You will see the difference because collide is actually a function that makes it just stop. So let's just run it and see. That's better than the bounce off. So today we'll be adding the animations. I've already loaded the animations. I'll put the link to all of the animations where you can download them for your needs if you're going along. Now, for it to be a little bit better, let's change this gray to white. Okay, now let's create a background. I'm thinking Sonic. So background, or let's just call it back so that it does not get confused with the background and back. So let's have it at 200, 200, 400, 400. Now for the game day, Raj, you can actually we'll change it later on. So something we're going to be using is this sprite.set animation. So let's drag two of them in. Now sprite is not actually the variable we're using, it's back and game day Raj. Now go to show block so that we can find the drop down and change it to 0037.png_1 and sprite_0.png_1. Now we show the text again and now we run it. So now we have a monkey that's walking and a background. So something I noticed was when you actually put it in, it's kind of very slow. So you can just drag this slider to actually increase the animation. And this is how you actually add the animations. You go to this button over here. You click on this new animation. You can upload any image. Once you upload an image, if you scroll down, there will be something called the add new frame. So you just click on it. This is just the picture background, so that's all we'll be using. But this one is an actual animation. Now go back to the code and run it. It's very big. So let's reduce the size of it. So you can just go game DevRaj.scale equals to 0.2. Reset and run it, and it's a little bit bigger than the actual scale compared to the background. So we can just make that 0.15. Yeah, I think that looks good. Then we can change the position of our monkey to be around here. So this would be some, let me just guess, 70 to 50. Okay, and that looks good. Now let's also add the moving animation for the background. So to do that, you have to do back.velocity x equals. So I just found out what was wrong. So we can just remove this for now and put this back where it belongs. So what we did was we actually made it very, what if I do 150? So we were supposed to make it a comparison, but I did greater than equals. It's supposed to be double equals. Double equals is actually a comparison, and a single equals is basically to change it. So as you can see, we have a moving background, but it's not very smooth. Let's reduce that to 140. So you can actually just play around the values to find the correct animation you like. I'm trying 120, that's a little bit 125 maybe. You have to constantly reset and run to find the perfect animation. Okay, so to be honest, this is not bad. I will also put the script as in a notepad in the media file link that will be in the description below, as long as the animation for the monkey and also the background PNG. If you want the animation for a background that will actually be a little bit more smoother, please write in the comments and I'll put the link for you. Bye! See you next week with another interesting coding video. This is Game Devrat signing off, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!